Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best crochet hooks are probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to dive into the wonderfully relaxing and creative world of crochet, offering a tactile and rewarding way to craft everything from cozy blankets and stylish garments to adorable amigurumi and intricate home decor, making it an accessible and enjoyable hobby for people of all ages and skill levels. Number 5. The Woobles Crochet Kit, Pierre the Penguin. Discover the joy of crochet with this all-in-one kit, perfect for beginners. It's a fun craft that offers a sense of accomplishment and makes thoughtful handmade gifts. This kit has everything you need to get started: pre-started yarn, a hook, needle, eyes, stuffing, and tutorials. It makes creating your own crochet accessories simple and enjoyable. Learning to crochet is made easy with our step-by-step video tutorials. This set is simpler than knitting or other beginner craft kits. Our yarn is custom-made for beginners, making it simple to crochet with. The stitches are easy to see from start to finish, ensuring a smooth crafting experience. Thousands have learned to crochet the Woobles way, and you can too. Our beginner kits feature adorable characters like Pierre the Penguin. What we like? This kit is designed to make learning as simple as possible. With pre-started yarn and easy-to-follow video tutorials, you can jump right into crocheting. If you are looking for a kit that removes the initial frustration and gets you creating quickly, this is the one for you. What people say. The videos walk you through everything you need to know, pausing between each little step, so you don't get lost. Very cute, very bent towards success for beginners, user-friendly, clear, and encouraging. The video instructions are really beginner-friendly, slow, and easy to follow. Number 4. Coopay 58 PCS Portable Crochet Kit. Discover the ultimate crochet kit designed for beginners and experienced crafters alike. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to begin your next project right away. Explore a wide range of hook sizes, from 0.6 mm to 6 mm, ensuring you have the perfect tool for any yarn weight or pattern. Each hook is designed for comfort and ease of use. Craft for hours without discomfort. Our ergonomic hooks feature soft, cushioned grips that reduce hand fatigue and strain, making your crocheting experience more enjoyable. Keep all your supplies neatly organized and ready to go with the included portable case. It's perfect for crocheting at home or taking your craft on the road. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This complete crochet set is an ideal present for Mother's Day, Christmas, or any occasion for the crafter in your life. With a vast array of accessories, including yarn, stitch markers, and needles, this kit provides endless possibilities for your DIY craft projects. Let your creativity flow. What we like? This is the most comprehensive set available, offering a vast array of tools for any crochet project. The ergonomic hooks are designed for comfort during long crafting sessions. If you want a complete toolkit that keeps everything organized and is perfect for crafting on the go, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great starter kit for learning crochet. It includes everything you need to get started, like yarn, hooks, and instructions. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for someone who has never crocheted before. The yarn is soft and a good quality for practice. I was able to make a small scarf within a few hours of opening the box. The included patterns are simple enough for beginners. Number 3. Piccassio Crochet Kit for Beginners. Embark on your crochet journey with this beginner-friendly set. It's designed for adults and teens ready to create something special. Start creating with confidence thanks to the easy-to-follow guide. Learning to crochet becomes a delightful adventure with this kit. This comprehensive set includes everything from yarn and hooks to essential accessories. You'll have all the tools to dive into your projects. Keep your supplies tidy and manage yarn effortlessly with the included organizer bag. It's perfect for maintaining focus on your craft. We prioritize your satisfaction with this beginner crochet set. Your creative journey comes with our support every step of the way. What we like? This kit provides a rich variety of colors and a dedicated beginner's book to guide you. The included organizer bag ensures all your supplies are neat and accessible. If you appreciate having a wide range of color options and a structured learning resource, this kit will empower your creativity. What people say. It comes with a variety of tools and colorful yarn, which makes it easy and fun to practice different projects. The kit includes the basic supplies needed to get started, and everything comes organized in one package. The yarn is soft and the colors are beautiful. The bag is to hold all of this is great material, sturdy, and easy to carry. Number 2. HEJIN Beginner Crochet Animal Kit. Embark on your crafting journey with our all-inclusive beginner crochet kit. It provides everything you need, from soft yarn and essential tools to easy-to-follow video tutorials, ensuring a smooth start. Our comprehensive video tutorials cater to both right and left-handed crafters. They offer clear, step-by-step guidance from beginning to end, making it simple to learn the basics quickly. Experience the difference with our specially chosen yarn, designed for ease of use. Its smooth texture and visible stitches make crocheting a pleasure, unlike traditional yarns. Unwind after a long day by diving into the relaxing world of crochet. This craft offers a peaceful escape, helping you regain focus and alleviate stress as you create something wonderful. This kit is an ideal gift for anyone looking to learn a new skill, regardless of age. Create adorable stuffed animals and share your handmade treasures with loved ones for any occasion. With all the necessary materials included, you can bring charming crochet animals to life. It's a rewarding experience that results in delightful creations perfect for gifting or keeping. What we like. This kit focuses on creating adorable crochet animals with excellent video support for both right and left-handed crafters. The specially designed yarn is smooth and easy to work with, making stitches clear. If you're excited about making cute stuffed animals and want clear, accessible video instructions, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Got this for my 13-year-old as she's at the age where it's hard to find anything that would be of interest to her, but she was very excited and loved it, and it's a fun little project she's been working on a little at a time. Very happy with the quality of everything. Directions were super easy, and the little book I actually keep in my crochet bag to remind of what stitch is what, since it is like a little dictionary of directions for all the main stitches. The kit provides sufficient yarn and comes with all the necessities to make the whales. Number 1. Zepiany Beginner Crochet Animal Kit. Unleash your creativity with our complete crochet kit, designed for absolute beginners. It includes everything you need to get started, from premium yarn to easy-to-follow video guides. Learn to crochet with confidence thanks to our step-by-step video tutorials. Each lesson is broken down with slow-motion demonstrations, ensuring you grasp every technique effortlessly. Never run out of yarn again. Our kit provides an extra 40% of yarn in every color, plus a pre-started crochet circle to simplify the first, trickiest step. Focus on the fun, not the frustration. Gather everyone for a creative bonding experience. This kit is perfect for family projects, allowing little ones and adults alike to create handmade treasures together. Surprise your loved ones with a thoughtful, handmade gift. These charming crochet animals make perfect presents for any occasion, bringing smiles and lasting memories. Escape the everyday hustle and find your calm. Engaging in crochet is a mindful activity that boosts creativity, improves focus, and helps you relax and unwind. What we like. This kit offers an abundance of yarn, ensuring you won't run out, and features a pre-started crochet circle to ease you into the process. The detailed video guides break down every step. If you're concerned about running out of materials or find the initial stitches challenging, this kit provides extra support and confidence. What people say. It had everything she needed to dive into a fun new hobby, plenty of quality yarn, hooks, and all the little tools that make projects enjoyable and worry-free. As a new crocheter, I was able to make the penguin without too much trouble. The quality of the yarn is great. Ample amount, in case you mess up. I was able to make more than one of each. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.